Welcome to your IsiXhosa Lessons with Kolping Mbumba. Molweni, welcome back to your IsiXhosa Lesson. Kolping Mbumba here. I'm going to jump straight into it. Today we are talking about iHenyukazi. iHenyukazi. Now, commonly known as iSifebe, iHenyukazi is a proud Xhosa woman who is exuberantly generous with her khumeme and gives it to whoever she wants to give it to as she sees fit. Now, the Xhosa culture is historically a very patriarchal and polygamist one, where it is an accepted norm for men to pursue and marry as they want. Now, the ubufebe movement seeks to address and balance this and foresees a future where Xhosa women can pursue and marry as many men as they want and give them lenyama yangaphantsi as they see fit without being judged at all by anybody. Now, there is no way to stop iSifebe from uyivula yonke. Men married to members of the Isifebe community usually suffer from ubuHenyukazi for the rest of their natural lives. Kuthwe Tem Tem. Umntu abengabhadlanga apha entloko ephambana, iSifebe simphethe kanje baba. iSifebe, iHenyukazi. That's how you pronounce it. iHenyukazi. One more time. iHenyukazi. That's your IsiXhosa lesson for today. Peace out.